It's been a while, but I'm super duper excited for today's video because I finally managed to get my hands on the Sailor Moon and ColourPop collaboration. I was so excited when ColourPop announced that they were going to be doing a restock of the collection. Oh, please keep on watching. I remember back in like the late 90s, like early 2000s, my sister was a really big fan of the show, so I remember watching it with her when I was super duper small and just like being obsessed with the show and really liking it. So I'm just gonna jump right into the products. You get a palette, you get 2 ultra glossy lips, you get 2 ultra blotted lips, 2 blushes, and 2 of the glitter gels that they have. And the full collection retails for $89. I think that off of the jump, one of my favorite parts about this collection is the packaging in of itself. Like, look at how beautiful that is. It's a holographic front, and I know that the blushes, it's the same. The palette itself is one of their 12 pan shades, and by itself, it retails for $20. So I think I'm just gonna do a quick look. I went ahead and I finished the other eye off camera, and I did just a little bit of a base. I put on a tinted moisturizer and a concealer underneath my eyes. So I will say that I was just a little bit disappointed with the palette because some of the shades picked up looking absolutely the same on my lids. Like, for example, these bottom 3 shades, Tuxedo Rose, Love, and Miracle Romance, all looked the same. I have them on and you can barely really tell that there's much of a difference in the eyes. It picks up a little less on camera than it does in person, but other than that, I really like the palette. The shades are really pretty and they're super pigmented as well. So what I'm going to be trying out next is the blushes that come in the collection. There are 2, and look at how cute. It's Luna. But the 2 blushes are in the shade From the Moon. That's this one, and the other one is in the shade Cat's Eye. They're both really similar. Cat's Eye has like a bit of a glitter though, so I'm gonna be doing one on each side. Oh, how pretty! On the other side, with another brush, I'm going to be doing the shade From the Moon. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty! So this one, I think it's because I used more of a packed brush. You can see how absolutely beautiful these shades are. Wow. So I forgot to press record, but on this side of my face as a highlight, I'm using the glitter gel. This one is in the shade Moonlight, or in Moonlight Legend. It's not really a shade, but you can see there's little glitters on the inside that are shaped like little stars. It's so cute. It's like a little bit pink. On the other side, I'm going to do the other purpley shade that is in this shade Moon Prism Power. This is what it looks like. It has little like moon and star glitters. So these are actually super cute. I can't think of what context I would wear these glitters in, but I will find a way. Okay, so the last two things in the collection are these. They are the Daylight and Moonlight lip kits. So the Daylight lip kit brings the Usagi Ultra Blotted Lip and the Moon Tiara Ultra Glossy Lip. And the Moonlight Lip Bundle brings the Bunhead Ultra Blotted Lip and the Sailor Moon Ultra Glossy Lip. So I'm going to try these out one at a time for you. Look at how cute that gloss. So that was all of the products from the collection. Overall, my final thoughts, I think that the collection plays up the nostalgia factor a lot and like how much everyone loves Sailor Moon. Because I mean, like when I heard about it myself, I was so excited to get it regardless of what the products looked like. And I think that that's the case for a lot of people. The palette I liked. I do wish that the color selection was a little different. There was a bit more of like range to the colors. Given the fact that it's Sailor Moon, they could have had such a range of colors in the palettes. Like they could have done a color for each of the Sailor Guardians. I really think that they missed the mark in that regard. But other than that, I think it's so cute. I love the blushes. The glosses were really nice. The Ultra Blotted Lips, I had never tried ColourPop's Ultra Blotted Lips before, and I really liked them. The colors were cute. I'm not even that big of, I'm not a fan of pink matte lips, and I actually really liked those. I'll be using those. And even the glitterly obsessed glitter gel things, I can see myself using those just to conceal. So that concludes my review of the Sailor Moon and ColourPop collection. Please let me know what you guys think, if you liked this review, if you got your hands on the collection, what was your favorite piece from it. Did you guys watch Sailor Moon? Because I sure did when I was a kid. And yeah, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. You